Uno is how we say 1 in Bisaya. But when we say 1 o'clock, we say ala una. Ala una. In saying time from 2 until 12 o'clock, we change it from ala to alas. So for example, 2 o'clock is alas dos. So we don't say ala dos, it's a alas dos. Alas dos. So think of it as turning it into plural from ala because it's only one, singular, and you simply add s to make it plural. Alas dos. So that's how you remember in telling time from 2 until 12. So 2 o'clock is alas dos. Alas dos. 3 o'clock, do you know how to say it in Bisaya? If your answer is alas tres, that's correct. So 3 o'clock is alas tres. Alas tres. And 4 o'clock is alas, what's the Bisaya for 4? It's cuatro. Cuatro. So 4 o'clock is alas cuatro. Alas cuatro. So from then on, from 2 o'clock, it follows a similar pattern. So alas plus the Bisaya term for that number. So 5 o'clock is alas cinco. Alas cinco. 6 o'clock is alas seis. Alas seis. 7 o'clock is alas siete. Alas siete. 8 o'clock is alas ocho. Alas ocho. 9 o'clock is alas nueve. Alas nueve. Some people say nueve instead of nueve. So alas nueve. 10 o'clock is alas diez. Alas diez. 11 o'clock is alas once. Alas once. And 12 o'clock is alas, that's right, it's alas doce. Alas doce.